Today we are taking a look at this cordless braid nailer by Jovant. This is exactly what it looks like here. Also, you get this hard case right over here, which is really nice. We got the clips over here. It comes with a pair of safety goggles as well, which is great. I'm going to show you everything up close in just a second. So that's what it looks like inside. Like the fact that this has a hard case. Some of these things don't come with cases, which is crazy. So this is the actual device itself. To load this, we're just gonna pull this like that. If you are loading the staples or the nails, so they come with these right over here. You're gonna want to do the staples from the bottom and the nails from the top, and then you just load that up like that. So this is the top, this is the bottom. If you want to adjust the depth, you're just gonna scroll this to the left or the right, and you can kind of figure, you'll see that moves right over there. To get that going just like that. You get 2 batteries with this as well. Like the fact that you could see how much battery you have. So this one, it only has 2. The battery easily right over here, if you see it, just like that, literally just slips on just like that. And once that's in, you're good to go. Also comes with a charger as well, which is nice. And then if you want to take this battery off, literally just pop it off like that. Also comes with this little nail bar remover as well. I like this. It's kind of like a dual function for me. You could pick off this way. You can kind of go up this way. And if you kind of want to knock something in, you could do it with this side right over here. If you're looking for a nail braider for those projects at your house that could do nails, staples, and just super diverse, comes with a case. Definitely check this out, and a huge thank you to the brand for sending this over so I could do this review.